And welcome back again, y'all. I hope y'all are doing well on this frigid, cold Saturday evening. I'm sure everybody's watching football, and I'm out here feeding my babies because I know how cold they're going to be. Right now, they're going to get some grapes. Look at this pretty boy here. There we go. Yeah, he sees them and he smells them. Yeah, he found that. Look. Now he's got some onion tops out there too. A little bit of corn. And the rest of the family is coming up behind the fence. They'll be in the gate here momentarily. There's Neely right there. Oh, I see another buck. Look at that's a nice buck behind Neely. Look at that. That one right there. I think he's coming up too. So I hadn't seen much of this one. Wow, where's he been? So I've got that boy right there, and he doesn't act like he's afraid. So it's possible he used to hang out here. I just don't recognize him anymore because they change and their antlers shed every year, and they grow new antlers and those change. But yeah, look how white his antlers are. That's a good sign because when they turn real white like that, it's a real good sign they're about to be shed, and makes them easier to find out in the woods as well too. But golly, what a pretty boy. He's trying to figure out how to get back in here, and he's not worried about me standing out here on the porch. I'm worried about it because it's cold and I'm not wearing a coat right now. Yeah, what a beautiful deer. All right, so back to Neely and the girls. And then this guy right here, he's standing here. That's a pretty boy too. He's wanting some more grapes, and I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna try to reach down here and get the grapes. So bear with me for a second. Come on, babies. Apple. I hear a helicopter coming, and he didn't like the sound of that. Come on, babies. Yeah, I think that helicopter spooked him. But he's about to run out the gate right there to the left side of the column. The high wind over the last couple of days has blown down my fence again. That's the second time, and after I fixed it. So it's just there's a lot of wind that comes across this backyard here. So anyway, there's try to stay focused on the deer. But yeah, there's the helo. And he's gonna be flying right over us. Let's see what the deer do. Yeah, they're usually things like that don't bother them. I think they're more bothered by that big buck. I'm trying to see where he went. I know he'll come back as soon as I go in the house. But yeah, that's a pretty good little family of deer right there. I can see two through the gate right there. And then this buck, and there's another one another deer there. Then you got that deer, and then that one. And the buck, he went somewhere down the fence. I don't see him right now. Yeah, you can comment on here if you do see him out there, and I don't, because I'm trying to look at the phone, and you may be to record this, and you may see him, and I do not. But anyway, here comes this guy. He's coming back in here again. So, oh, here, golly, wait, there's the big buck right there. That's how sneaky they can be. Man, that is a pretty one. You know what he's going to? Those pumpkins from Halloween and the fall decor. They have finally been able to kick those open because they got ripe. And look at him eating that. They love that pumpkin. I kind of like it myself too, but I prefer it in a pumpkin pie. All right, so while he's doing that, this boy right here is wanting this. Come on. All right, see him? Look at him. He's going over that grape. He's going to find some more right there too. You can see them. You like that, don't you? Let's throw him another one right there. There you go, he wants some more. Well, I'm really surprised at that big buck out there because he's been running from me. Oh, I gotta show y'all something cute. Look who's coming, this little Sleepy. Sleepy was born in June. Look how dark she is. But that's a sweet one. And then here comes Blondie running in right here. Hey, Blonde. Hey, Blondie. Hey, babies. Yeah. Now they know all this frigid weather is coming, so they're ready to eat right now. Hey, Blonde. Come on, babies. Come on, Sleepy. Come on, babies. All right, the big one. Oh, look, they're all getting excited now. The big one just told that one that he needed to get out of here. Wow, that is a nice deer. And tearing up that pumpkin. I can even hear him from here. You guys can't hear it. The pool pump is running too. We don't shut ours down. We just leave it running for the winter because it does have a heater on it. Although I don't turn it up to get into it because it would cost you a small fortune to heat the pool to get into it. So it just prevents the pool from freezing. And that's about it. Come on, Blondie. Yeah, they want some of this. Come on, Sleepy. Look at you, cute girl. Yeah, you cute little girl here. Come on, baby. Here. Now, Sleepy, I think, is going to be a lot like Daisy and Tippy. Yeah, I don't know why that got blurry. I'll fix that. And I say that because they were super tame. Come on, Sleepy. Come on, I'll throw these grapes out there for you. There they go. Yeah, never pass up an opportunity for a grape. And Blondie saw that. Come on, Blondie. There you go. See it rolling over there? Cute. And that big buck out there just tearing up that pumpkin. So if y'all got any spare pumpkins after next Halloween or fall, and you want to drop them off over here and feed the deer, well, they won't eat the pumpkins until they get super ripe. I mean, it has to get really, really cold, and then they can kick them open with their feet and they start eating them. And I mean, they will eat every single thing that's left. There won't be one thing left but a wet spot where the pumpkins were. In fact, they will even eat the dead grass around the pumpkin just to get all of the juice out of the grass and even out of the dirt. Come on, Blondie. Look at these babies here. Aren't they pretty? Come on, Sleepy. Come on, Blonde. So the big buck looks like he's going to get out of here. Now, I've seen him before. I just haven't seen him here in another, like, few weeks. And I'm thinking he's a 9-point, but he's got a really, really nice spread on him. Very healthy. So let me get some more grapes right here. They love this sound. I love the sound of plastic. Yeah, sorry about that, but I'm trying to put the focus lock on right here so it quits blurring up. Yeah, they hear it. Come on, Blondie. See, they know their names. Come on, Blondie. Look at that. She's coming up. Some more. Come on. Get her, Sleepy. Yeah, Daisy. Blondie, you got that one. And here comes Neely. Look. Come on in, Neely. Oh, the big buck's coming back in. I wish I could identify which one he is. I'm trying to say, just looking at him, and Loco disappeared for a long time. He was my big boy that was so sweet. He really looks like Loco in the face, and he acts like Loco. See, he's not minding me at all. So I wouldn't be surprised. Hey, baby. See, he knows me. I wouldn't be surprised if that's not Loco. But he's smaller body, which is be about right because he's gotten much older now. And look at that. He's going to run. Well, maybe it's not Loco. Come on, babies. Apple. I don't have apple for him. I just told him that. All right, Neely. Yeah, that big buck just took off. Neely. Come on, babies. I'm going to throw it over here. You can see it hit right there, going that way. And that little guy, Sleepy's going to turn around and go get that. And Neely will come into that too. Come on, Neil. Come on, Neil. Man, you and that one antler. Dude, you were so messed up. Come on, Neely. I'm thinking if that antler keeps growing at that rate, because he's not going to shed. Oh, great, the neighbors just came out. That's what did that. Yep. Now, they'll tolerate me, but they prefer not to hang out with the neighbors. So, anyway, with all of that being said, I guess we will call it quits for right now. You guys stay warm. We love you guys. I'll see y'all next time.